Hi, I'm Susie Lewis, and we're going to go through Legit Guide together. So here we are on the home screen. What I love about this product, it's $27 for 24 months of webinar online live help with Jamie Lewis. So with this, here's the home page. You get a welcome email or a welcome video, sorry about that. And then you get to sign up for your webinar. So you would click here to register. And then you click here to fill out a form. How do you register for the webinar? But then beyond that, you tell Jamie, look, this is who I am, my number, my website URL. Basically, this is my niche. Can you describe your products and services? What are the prices of products and services? Your revenue, just so you know who. So Jamie knows who you are, what your goals are, your aspirations, your biggest challenge, what's your time restraints, what's your ad spend or your affiliate budget. There's some infrastructure costs in having a business, right? So are you realistic on that? Maybe you need to have a better perspective on what your infrastructure is going to cost. How many employees/contractors do you have? So basically, these questions are all so that Jamie has a better understanding of how he can serve you, and collectively he knows all of the people on the webinar. A lot of people get to a webinar and they freeze, and they're just like, they don't talk, and they're just listeners. And so these are very, very fun, extremely connective webinars, especially when we unmute someone and they're just talking and we're just working through their personal probably I guess barriers, right? But the people go to a certain level in their business and they don't get to the next step. So step 1, step 2, step 3, set up the Legit Guide webinar and get ready for it. And all the calls keep coming in. All right, so then let's see, we have watch the Legit Guide training and tutorials, implement the business models, view all the videos. So let's click on this, let's jump into that. Here we go. All right, amazing. So what's so exciting about this product line is that Jamie's been around forever. I assume he's not assume, I kind of say he's like an old turtle. This turtle that just is going through the ocean of online marketing, and he does a launch, and it's like this turtle's launching out of the ocean, going into the sky, and then he just starts unloading things that you don't need to collect speed and move to another outer space zone, right? That he's never gone before. So if you are on a Jamie Lewis adventure, just be ready to go through a lot of transitions that you haven't been through before, okay? You may have to drop some things in your life to make room for this new business adventure. That's what it is. So you have the ultimate download tutorials, buying a domain, turning on, signing up for Amazon Associates, Wayback Machine. I mean, it's an endless list of options. Let's go back to the home page. What else do we have on the home page? So you have implement business models, business model documentation, Legit Guide documentation, calculator prep times. I love this. It's kind of like you pick on this calculator how much money you want to bring in, and then it tells you here is a pathway to get there, and this is what you've got to do. Now, one of those things is it's a realistic calculator that says, look, you really need to, there's an actual calculator. I think it's on another section. But oh, here we go. Calculate business models. Okay. Oh, this is a download. Okay, wait. Let me just go into this other section. So you have videos in this section, and this is where you're going to see up to, those are some tutorial videos. But my favorite videos are, here they go. In the VIP section, the Legit replays. Okay. There's about a whole year of webinar replays. So that is just hours and hours. There's 52 weeks in a year. I think that maybe 48 webinars. Very, very, very good. It's overall general education. And then this is my favorite, also Legit software. So this is a collaboration of so many of his product lines. So you got YouTube software here, the calculator to find the business model that's right for you, and if you want to base on what kind of income you're supposed to bring in and what you need to do for that. The domain machine, watch legit guide tutorials, implement business model. So guys, this is amazing. The beginning price is $27 for these webinars that are priceless. So I can't wait to see you jump in on this. Check it out. There'll be a link somewhere on this email or this video, and I will see you probably on the webinars. I'll just jump into the office once in a while and say hi to you guys. I'll see you soon. So exciting to have shown you this. And welcome to the family. Get your Legit Guide access now by going to emailads.co, and you're going to be able to sign up from there. Talk to you soon.